From time to time, we are used to seeing how bad the weather can be on Earth, from hurricanes to tornadoes and even to sandstorms. But what if I tell you that there are planets out there that can be even worse than Earth? Up ahead lies a journey of six of the planets with the worst conditions for humankind. Number 6. The following planet is the one we would consider our home if our Earth were to die. We're talking about one that is known as the Red Planet, the planet half the size of the Earth, Mars. Its name comes from the Roman god of war. This planet is a cold and dry desert, -80 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes 687 days to orbit the Sun, and a day on its surface is 24.6 hours. It's got clouds much like the Earth's, but as we can see, it's not a habitable planet. It only has 0.15% of oxygen and 96% of carbon dioxide. It is said that it used to harbor an ocean 3.8 billion years ago, but it disappeared due to the sun's rays. A type of radiation called a solar wind, stripping a planet's atmosphere and water into space. For now, humans haven't visited Mars yet, but it's the most studied planet in the solar system. It wouldn't be the type of place to survive. It has a similar surface, but it's not quite like Earth. Number 5. This next planet is known to be tidally locked. The planet GJ1214b. Tidally locked means that one side is always facing the star. It is roughly 48 light years away, and its core is thought to be made out of water, and the atmosphere is water vapor. This 376 degree Fahrenheit planet, if you were to stand on the side facing the sun, you'd instantly burn. But at the other side of the planet, you would instantly freeze. Number 4. Venus. At 900 degrees, it is by far the hottest of any planet in our solar system. Almost as big as Earth, it's covered in thick clouds. The atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, and the surface is hot enough to melt lead. A planet which every time it crosses our minds, we think we cannot visit. Number 3. A molten planet called GJ367b. It has a temperature of 1770 Kelvin, 2730 degrees Fahrenheit, is 30.7 light years away from Earth, has an orbit of -0.00029 hours, and a rotation period of 0.3 days. That's 7.2 hours. A planet far hotter than Venus would be. One that you would never visit, not even for a second. Number 2. This next planet has wind speeds of 5,400 miles per hour. We're talking about the gas giant planet HD 189733b. It looks similar to Earth, but don't be confused by its blue color. It's a planet with no solid surface, like Jupiter, but larger. with a temperature of 1700 degrees Fahrenheit, located in the Dumbbell Nebula, 63 light years away from us. It's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways. Surely, with those fast wind speeds and molten glass raining sideways, it would mean certain death. Number 1. Jupiter. Up next, we have the planet that takes 12 years to orbit around the sun, and a day on it is 10 hours. We're talking about the biggest planet in our solar system, the planet Jupiter, with a temperature of negative 166 degrees Fahrenheit. This planet looks very much like a lava planet in infrared. Going inside, it would look like an alien planet. This giant world has swirling winds and one of the most violent planets in the solar system. 3 white ovals forming oval BA in 2000. And this planet also has a mantle made out of metallic hydrogen, but above there's a liquid hydrogen and even gaseous hydrogen. The most violent thing about it is this great red spot, giant hurricane, and the uppermost layers of Jupiter are mostly hydrogen and helium, but are also ammonia. Surely the core is made out of iron and silicate, but it is also known to have an ocean of liquid hydrogen, the largest that exists in the solar system. Zero Zone. Uranus. It takes 17 hours to make one full rotation and 84 years to orbit around the sun. This planet with 13 rings, Uranus, is by far the coldest in the solar system, a temperature of negative 320 degrees. This planet's got 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters. 560 mile per hour wind speeds, and incredibly, there is so much pressure in hydrogen and carbon that it creates rain of diamonds. That is something you never hear every day. So those were some of the most dangerous planets with the worst conditions for humankind. Next time you decide to complain about the weather, think twice.